Have you ever considered that your diet may be a game changer on your journey to alleviating kidney health issues? In this video, we delve into a crucial aspect often overlooked: kidney health. The kidneys, playing a vital role in filtering waste and maintaining overall well-being, might find support in specific foods. Join us as we explore 7 everyday foods that not only benefit your kidneys, but are also easily accessible at any local market. Throughout this video, we thoroughly examine each of these foods, exploring their significance for kidney health backed by scientific research and expert opinions. By the end, you'll not only have a list of these 7 incredible foods, but also understand how to seamlessly incorporate them into your daily diet for maximum benefits. Before we begin, it's essential to remind you that the information in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider or a qualified medical professional for personalized guidance regarding your specific health conditions and needs. Now, let's dive into the valuable insights for better kidney health. Number 1. Garlic. Consider the unassuming garlic, a kitchen staple that could potentially become your kidney's best ally. Scientifically known as allium sativum, garlic transcends its role as a mere flavor enhancer. It emerges as a powerhouse with properties that can significantly enhance kidney health. Garlic is celebrated for its natural diuretic properties, a quality that aids in increasing urine output. This mechanism is vital for the elimination of excess sodium and toxins from the body, forming a crucial component of healthy kidney function. Beyond its diuretic prowess, garlic boasts potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, which play a pivotal role in mitigating oxidative stress, an influential factor in chronic kidney disease. The key to garlic's prominence in kidney health lies in its abundance of allicin, a sulfur-containing compound responsible for the herb's distinctive smell and taste. Scientific studies underline allicin's capacity to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both critical factors in alleviating the burden on kidneys. A noteworthy study published in the Journal of Nutrition underscores the efficacy of garlic extract in reducing blood pressure, particularly in individuals with hypertension, an ailment often linked to kidney stress and damage. Furthermore, garlic contributes to overall immune function, an integral defense against infections that could adversely impact the kidneys. Incorporating garlic into your daily meals for optimal kidney health is not only simple but also delightful. To maximize its benefits, opting for raw or lightly cooked garlic is recommended, as overcooking may diminish its medicinal properties. A popular method involves mincing fresh garlic and allowing it to sit for a few minutes before incorporating it into dishes. This resting period activates the allicin, heightening its potency. Another ingenious approach is crafting garlic-infused olive oil. By crushing a few cloves of garlic and allowing them to steep in olive oil for a few days, you can create a flavorful oil to drizzle over your meals. This not only enhances the taste of your dishes, but also ensures a convenient and palatable way to integrate the potent benefits of garlic into your kidney-friendly diet. Number 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds, a tiny seed with a remarkable history dating back to 5000 BC. Beyond being a mere seed, flaxseed emerges as a superfood for the kidneys, deserving attention for its myriad benefits. In the realm of kidney health, flax seeds play the role of little superheroes, not only associated with improved kidney function and reduced inflammation but also recognized as a superb source of plant sterols. Plant sterols, natural compounds abundant in flax seeds, exhibit remarkable capabilities in lowering blood cholesterol levels. Studies showcase their potential to slash cholesterol levels by an astonishing 15%. Presenting a promising avenue for cardiovascular health. For those grappling with inflammatory kidney disease, flaxseed proves to be a potential game changer. Research indicates that regular consumption can genuinely enhance kidney function, particularly in individuals with inflammatory nephritis. Incorporating this wonder seed into your daily life is a breeze. Whether you sprinkle it into your smoothies or utilize flaxseed oil in your cooking, unlocking these incredible benefits is both accessible and delightful. Elevate your kidney health effortlessly by embracing the mighty flaxseed, a time-tested secret weapon against kidney problems. Number 3. Onions. Dive into the world of onions, often underestimated kitchen staples with remarkable benefits for kidney health. With their rich sulfur compounds, onions transcend their role as a mere flavor enhancer, emerging as powerhouses in supporting kidney function and overall health. The sulfur compounds in onions, responsible for their sharp taste and robust aroma, play a pivotal role in detoxifying the kidneys. Functioning as natural diuretics, they aid in flushing out toxins, alleviating the burden on the kidneys. This detoxifying effect is integral to maintaining healthy kidneys, making onions a staple worth keeping in your kitchen. Beyond detoxification, onions showcase impressive anti-inflammatory properties. For individuals dealing with kidney issues, where inflammation is a significant concern, the natural compounds in onions provide relief. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition underscores the antioxidant-rich nature of onions, particularly highlighting quercetin, which can reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney damage. Moreover, onions contribute to the reduction of high blood pressure and cholesterol levels, common culprits that can exacerbate kidney problems. The American Journal of Hypertension presents findings indicating that regular onion consumption can lead to lower blood pressure levels, thus easing the strain on kidneys. To maximize the benefits of onions for kidney health, consuming them raw is recommended. Raw onions retain more of their sulfur compounds compared to when cooked. Incorporate thinly sliced red or sweet onions into your salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish. Beyond adding a punch of flavor, they become a rich source of vital nutrients essential for maintaining optimal kidney health. In essence, onions prove to be more than a kitchen essential, they emerge as allies in promoting kidney well-being. With their multifaceted benefits, incorporating raw onions into your daily meals becomes a flavorful and health-conscious choice. Number 4. Beetroot. Explore the vibrant and earthy realm of beetroot, a vegetable that holds a special place in the context of kidney health. Beyond its aesthetic appeal with a deep red color, beetroot signifies richness in essential nutrients, making it a noteworthy addition to your meals. The standout feature of beetroot lies in its high nitrate content, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound plays a crucial role in maintaining blood vessel health and regulating blood pressure, both vital components of overall kidney health. A groundbreaking study published in the Hypertension Journal in 2015 revealed the impressive benefits of consuming beetroot juice. Over 4 weeks, patients witnessed a significant drop in blood pressure by 10/5 millimeters of mercury. This finding is particularly valuable for those with chronic kidney disease, where high blood pressure stands as a major risk factor that can exacerbate kidney problems. To make the most of beetroot's benefits for your kidneys, the key lies in how you prepare and consume it. Eating beetroot raw or juicing it is an excellent approach to preserve its essential nutrients. Simple yet effective methods include adding grated beetroot to salads or crafting fresh beetroot juice. For those who prefer cooked beetroot, opting for roasting or steaming over boiling is recommended to minimize nutrient loss. It's crucial to note that the pigments in beetroot not only contribute to its vibrant color but also house antioxidants. These antioxidants play a pivotal role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, factors that can potentially harm kidney health. In essence, integrating beetroot into your diet, whether raw or cooked with thoughtful preparation, becomes a flavorful and health-conscious choice. By embracing the nutrient-rich and visually striking beetroot, you unlock a natural ally in promoting optimal kidney health. Number 5. Bitter melon. Bitter melon, known for its distinctively sharp taste, may not be a culinary favorite for everyone, but its significant benefits for kidney health should not be overlooked. This peculiar-looking vegetable, prominent in Asian and African cuisines, transcends its role as a mere culinary ingredient. It emerges as a potent natural remedy for various health issues, particularly those concerning the kidneys. One of the standout properties of bitter melon is its remarkable ability to mimic insulin, making it a valuable ally in managing blood sugar levels. This is particularly crucial for kidney health, where high blood sugar can contribute significantly to kidney damage, especially in diabetic patients. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2011 confirmed that bitter melon enhances insulin sensitivity, aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels. To maximize the kidney benefits of bitter melon, there are various ways to incorporate it into your diet. A popular method involves including it in stir-fries, balancing its bitterness with other flavors. Alternatively, you can juice bitter melon with a bit of apple or pear to soften its sharp taste. Another option is to use dried bitter melon powder, easily added to smoothies or teas. By exploring these creative culinary avenues, you can harness the potential of bitter melon as a natural and flavorful support for kidney health. Number 6. Carrots. Carrots, those vibrant and crunchy vegetables renowned for enhancing vision, extend their virtues beyond eyesight. They are exceptionally beneficial for kidney health. Rich in antioxidants, notably beta-carotene, which imparts their bright orange hue, carrots become crucial allies in promoting optimal kidney function. Antioxidants in carrots play a pivotal role in mitigating oxidative stress within the kidneys, a fundamental aspect of maintaining their health. A study highlighted in the Journal of Nutrition in 2014 emphasized the association between foods rich in beta-carotene, such as carrots, and a reduced risk of chronic kidney disease. This connection is particularly significant as chronic kidney disease often arises from damage inflicted by oxidative stress and inflammation. However, it's crucial to be mindful of carrots' medium-high potassium content, with a single medium-sized carrot containing around 200 milligrams of potassium. While potassium is essential for overall health, individuals with kidney issues should exercise caution in monitoring their intake. Recent nephrology research is prompting a reevaluation of the relationship between dietary potassium and blood potassium levels, suggesting potential nuances not previously understood. To maximize the kidney health benefits of carrots, incorporating them into your diet in moderation is key. Enjoy them raw as a refreshing snack, grate them into salads for an extra crunch, or gently steam them to retain their nutrient profile. For those monitoring potassium intake, a strategic approach involves balancing carrot consumption with other low-potassium foods. By adopting these mindful dietary practices, carrots can be embraced not just for their delicious taste, but also as a thoughtful addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Number 7. Cranberry Juice. Cranberry juice emerges as a remarkable beverage with a myriad of potential benefits for kidney health, showcasing its prowess in combating chronic inflammation, a significant contributor to kidney damage and dysfunction. Abundant in antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, cranberry juice becomes a valuable ally in this quest. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2013 substantiates its anti-inflammatory effects, revealing that cranberry juice consumption led to a reduction in markers of inflammation in individuals with chronic kidney disease. The impressive shield against inflammation contributes positively to overall kidney health. Cranberry juice's long-standing reputation for preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, is upheld by the action of proanthocyanidins. These compounds act as a protective barrier, preventing bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, thereby reducing the risk of UTIs. Recent research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 reinforces this claim, indicating that cranberry products, including cranberry juice, effectively reduce the recurrence of UTIs. Beyond its anti-inflammatory and anti-infective properties, cranberry juice provides formidable antioxidant protection. Oxidative stress, a menace to kidney cells and a contributor to kidney diseases, faces resistance through the potential of cranberry polyphenols. A comprehensive review in Advances in Nutrition in 2019 underscores their capacity to alleviate oxidative stress, fortifying kidney function. The benefits of cranberry juice extend to individuals at risk of kidney disease due to high blood pressure. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2015 hint at its role in modestly reducing blood pressure, a significant boon for kidney health, especially among hypertensive individuals. In a final display of its diverse benefits, cranberry juice may even assist in preventing certain kidney stones, notably calcium oxalate stones. The compounds within cranberry juice exhibit a remarkable ability to thwart the crystallization of calcium oxalate in the urine, potentially reducing the likelihood of stone formation. In essence, incorporating cranberry juice into one's diet becomes a multifaceted strategy for promoting kidney health, encompassing anti-inflammatory, anti-infective, antioxidant, blood pressure regulating, and kidney stone prevention benefits. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can contribute to improved kidney health. Share your experiences and journey in the comments to inspire and build a kidney health-conscious community. Together, we can create a healthier future. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.